Subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update from First Post.
Hi sir, welcome.
Hi Sheena. Hi.
It's a lot of fun to meet you again because I remember the last time we met and we'd spoken about a lot of Netflix, series as well. What are the top 5 shows that you're binging on right now? I want to know.
Top 5 shows.
Yeah.
What did I see last? I finished Stranger Things 3. Then I started on a show called Cheat, which is a BBC series, which is really nice. I've just seen 2 episodes of that. उसके पहले मैंने क्या देखा? I saw Fleabag, which was amazing. Then I saw this another, what was that series, yeah? London Kills. I don't know if you've seen London
No,
Kills.
I haven't.
No, I see it because my son was seeing it, so I sat and watched
London Kills.
Okay.
Okay.
That was really nice. And before that I saw When They See Us.
This time you've created a series which is called Typewriter and which is a horror series on Netflix.
When a person dies an unnatural death, the soul is trapped in between universes.
क्या है इस बॉक्स में?
This is a series that you've created this time and we want to know how different it is, when you're working on a series vis-a-vis when you're working on a movie. And we know that the child actors Arna and Mikhail and we have Purab Kohli in the series. So how was it? How was the whole experience? I heard from the kids that they had a lot of fun with you on set.
Yeah, we had a lot of fun. To answer your question, it's heaven and earth, Film is completely different to a series.
Okay.
So when you get into a series, the first thing you do is unlearn whatever you've learnt in film.
Okay.
Whether it's in writing, whether it's in shooting, whether it's in treatment. So ये सब भूल जाओ. You got to unlearn everything. And then you learn how to write a series. You learn how to tackle a series. Because the investment in making a series is way more than investing in a film. You're looking at a world much bigger, characters which are much more wider, and time which is longer.
Yeah.
And sometimes it could be, in seasons also. So
Correct.
you're living with the same world over a period of, if you see something like Game of Thrones, those people stayed with that same world for so long. That's what you do. You first unlearn, then you learn how to write, and after learning, you do your shooting process. And in this particular case, when I'm working with kids and a dog, which are the 2 things you don't do in films, along with water, it's a task, it's a huge learning task. And the reason we had a lot of fun on the set was because they're kids, kids have a lot of fun. So we actually they had fun. We had fun with them. They were our excuse to have fun.
Yeah.
Unless you're happy, it doesn't show on screen.
Correct.
So whether it's those 9-year-old kid, whether it's Mr. Bachchan or whether it's Vidya, they all have to be happy on a set. Otherwise it never show.
It's a horror movie, and what has been your horror story? Kuch childhood ki ho, which you remember, and or
Horror
something.
story?
Yeah, any of your horror story.
I know. I remember only one horror story, which one of my friend's brother told me. We have this friend's brother, and in Bengal there's this thing called Nishi. I don't know if you know what a Nishi is.
No.
It's somebody who says your name.
Okay.
You're like, Sheena. And you're like, and if you turn, you're gone.
Oh, really?
Yeah. And so basically this guy went to this village, and he was told that there is all this Nishi and
Nishi,
everything. And
Okay.
so in the night he really wanted to go to the loo. And in village what happens, the loo is out in the field. There's a little
backyard.
toilet in the field. So in that moment of need, he went.
Okay.
And when he was sitting in the toilet, he felt somebody was calling his name. Okay.
Then?
So the guy spent the whole night in the loo. He was too scared to even
shit.
come out. So that's the only horror story. Very stupid, but that's the only.
Funny.
Yeah.
But you've never believed in ghosts and all.
I would want to. I really want to believe in ghosts, but I wish there was some. But I genuinely want to believe in ghosts. In fact, I think I believe in ghosts.
you've never had any encounter, or you've never, as a child, also felt ki andhere mein, you know, maybe there's someone touching me, there's someone calling me, because I still have that.
Yeah, you do feel, you know, especially like I remember when I was a kid, I was spending this, I was with my mother, and we were in this old English cottage, you know, this old English bungalows which were like long, you know, they're more rectangular than
Okay.
square. So all the rooms are on side and there's a long corridor. And I remember she had a night call, so she had to go to the hospital. And I was there in the house alone watching this series called Salem Slot. And I saw Salem Slot because Ma was not in the house and nobody was to stop me from seeing it. So it was a late night thing on TV. So I saw it and it was so scary. Yeah. And I could feel somebody walking in the house and this and that, you know.
And which is the last horror movie that you watched?
Last horror, what did I see last year?
Was that Annabelle?
Annabelle नहीं देखा मैं. उसके पहले क्या था? I think probably no, that was way back. ना that
It?
Nun.
Nun, yeah.
The Nun.
was there.
I think
Yeah.
the Nun probably.
You scary, not scary?
I like getting scared. I think till date in recent time, Conjuring has been my best getting scared film. I love getting scared in that one.